Delhi Autumn जोड़ Niña, Immunity Boost with Homeopathy. Dr. Saranjeet Kaur, Homeopathic physician or Acupressure and magnet therapy expert.
What is La Niña? La Niña means the girl in Spanish, which means that cooling of Pacific Ocean waters causes heavy rains, humidity and sudden cold winds, extends monsoon-like weather in India. Delhi autumn weather and La Niña. This year's autumn feels different. Late rains and humidity, fluctuating temperatures, rise in cough, cold, sinus and fatigue cases. Health challenges of the season. Respiratory issues, cold, cough, sore throat, sinusitis and allergies, joint stiffness, body ache, fatigue and low mood. Homeopathic immunity boosters. Arsenicum album. Fear of illness, restlessness, cold aggravation. Bryonia alba. Dry cough, wants rest, hates motion. Natrum sulphuricum. Asthma after rain, damp aggravation. Calcarea carb. Catching cold easily, sluggish immunity. Joint and muscle support remedies. Rust toxicodendron. Pain worse at rest, better with movement. Dulcamara. Joint pains after getting wet or cold damp air. Daily natural care tips. Keep feet dry and warm. Steam inhalation daily. Drink tulsi ginger tea. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. Do deep breathing and yoga. Boost sunlight and positivity. Sunlight equals natural vitamin D. Mindful mornings, gratitude journaling, positive affirmations. Stay emotionally warm even when the weather cools.
Balance the climate within. Stay strong, stay natural, stay immune with homeopathy. From Dr. Saranjeet Kaur.